Okay, so something a little different for today's unboxing. So this is a Go Fast Bits diverter valve. The company is called, obviously, Go Fast Bits, abbreviated to GFB. It's an Australian company. They're actually based in Sydney, in Mortdale, as of 2020. Quite a popular company for making turbo-related products to improve performance, hence the name Go Fast Bits, performance without compromise. There you go. So this is a DV Plus, or Diverter Valve Plus, for Fiat/BMW. The model number is T9356. If you go to their website, you can just type or select your car model, and it will give you the appropriate product options, if there are some. Most turbocharged vehicles can fit something from this company. There you go, something on the back. So I'll just go ahead and unbox it. It's going to be a short video. I'm not going to go into how these work really. It's all available on their website. So warranty information comes packaged quite nicely. There's a little foam box there, foam cutout holding all the components in there, so we'll just slide that out. I would say you would need to be reasonably careful unboxing these, as they do contain metal products that connect to your turbo system, so any dents or scratches could compromise it. So you get a sticker. There you go. There's the warning there. Very tight tolerances on these CNC machined items. So there's your instruction booklet / warning and your instructions. You can find these also available on the website. But yeah, effectively this component replaces your diverter valve on your car next to the turbocharger, or attached to the turbocharger rather, to make a higher quality part than what comes out of the factory. So the factory items are perfectly fine, but this one can increase boost pressure tolerances if you decide to modify other things, and it's just a really good quality item to have. So this is the valve block here, or valve cylinder, which is machined very precisely, so you need to be careful with that. But otherwise, that's what you get in the box, and you get some screws. That's the mounting plate, spring, cylinder / plunger, and then that's not sure what that's called, but that's like the piston plunger, which is important as well, and you get another spring there. So very nicely packaged, and looking forward to installing it. That's it.